Well, well, well. What do we have here? Wait a minute. These are new Rainbow High dolls, which means new fashion! Looks like it's time for a new episode of Does the Fit Fit? Where I try on clothes from other brands to see if the fit fits. And Kia Hart, let me just say, your outfit is adorable. Can I try it on? Rainbow High's special edition Kia Hart has some great pieces, and I want to see if they will fit Mini Toya. Check this out. The pants fit perfect. It feels like there's a little more room in them than the pants from the previous series. I got my pockets, I got my belt loops. Yeah, these are a keeper. They're stopping about mid-shin, so I'm gonna say these are capris, and the fact that they're rolled up at the bottom is just perfect. The top, however, is a little short. What if we put the hoodie on top? I feel a draft. Technically, it fits. It's just a little airy. But if you pair it with a Barbie extra top, it's perfect. This is definitely a Valentine's Day look that I could rock. I'm still trying the hoodie, and it's just not working for me. Here is that checkered top on a petite made-to-move Barbie, and here is the hoodie. Why are we wasting time with that hoodie when we have this jacket? Absolute perfect fit. I'm wearing the white sparkle t-shirt underneath, and yeah, this is a look. The hair clips work. I really like the hair clips. Usually doll hair clips are a little bulky, but these seem pretty nice. Okay, let's see what else fits. These shorts are perfect. It is almost like they were made for Mini Toya. The top is still a little short, but I feel like we can get away with this one. That fringe on the bottom makes it a little longer. Here is the shirt that goes around the waist and the jacket, which I couldn't get past the sleeves, but you know, the jacket hanging off your shoulders, that's a look. Yeah, this works. And here we are wearing the short sleeve sparkle shirt, so we can put the jacket all the way on. The socks definitely fit. I like to wear them with Creatable World shoes. Amaya Rain, you're next. Well, this is not my normal look, but technically it fits. But that bustier is barely Velcroed together. Now this jacket came with the Rainbow High Fashion Studio with Avery Styles, and I want to see if it fits because it totally looks like it matches. Well, I'm definitely sparkly, but I'm gonna need the temperature outside to warm up before I wear this one. Oh man, I really wanted this one to work. Here is Amaya Rain's cheerleading outfit. The skirt works perfectly. The top, however, is a little short, and that Velcro is barely holding together. I don't feel like we're gonna get a lot of pieces from Karma Nichols, maybe just the skirts. Yeah, I can't even get this one to close. I guess we could use the t-shirt as a sports bra. The skirt is a good fit, just like I thought it would be. I can't really get the lace jacket on, but it's a yes on the green faux leather skirt. And it works with Jade Hunter's white t-shirt. Throw on her puffer coat, and we've got an outfit. And we can easily fit this little belt thing. At the end of Bella's video, we showed that her Chanel-inspired skirt fits. However, I just don't remember where I placed it. So let's move on to Stella Monroe. So once again, the shirt is a little short. I love this pink metallic shirt, but it's just not working for me. The skirt, however, is a total win. And say yes to the fur coat. Yeah, I can rock this. This top doesn't fit. I can't get it to close. However, the skirt fits. Well, hello there, purple. I have a good feeling about Crystal Bailey. Okay, so the hollow tube top is barely holding on, but it works. And the skirt works too. I didn't think this top was going to fit, but it does. The black stockings fit just fine. The top is pretty much a bra, but it looks great with this purple set. The jacket is pretty comfy and loose. The pants were very easy to get on, and the cutouts at the knee are almost at the knee. but when the leg bends, it totally works. I am loving this. We have pockets, we have belt loops, we have faux buttons, we have ribbons, we have sewn on grommets. What doesn't this outfit have? Besides coverage in the midsection. The pants feel a little looser than Series 1, so yeah, I am definitely adding this outfit to my wardrobe. Last but not least, River Kindle. Teal snakeskin shorts with black trim and white rainbow Paris t-shirt. Both fit just fine. This is probably one of my new favorite rainbow high shirts. It has a nice loose fit, and the shorts look pretty good too. This is a very casual look. I feel like I need a skateboard or something. Add the jacket, and yeah, it works. But I am curious to see if this outfit could fit a Ken doll. I wasn't expecting for the shorts to fit, but we were able to get the shorts on. However, they are a little short in the seat. The shirt is cropped and pretty snug. The socks fit pretty good. He's trying on the jacket, but I don't see that working out. But no worries, because I can fit it just fine. The Varsity Jacket fits a classic Barbie just fine. It even has RH embroidered at the top for Rainbow High or Riverdale High. It's up to you. What about Royal High? That's a game on Roblox. We paired the jacket with the jeans, which have a nice loose fit. I have front pockets, belt loops, back pockets, and distressing at the knees. These are perfect boyfriend jeans. The wraparound shirt works. It looks good without the jacket, and she can fit the sleeveless hoodie. These jeans are definitely a keeper. Probably one of my favorite pieces out of the entire series because I know I'm going to use them a lot. They are very easy to put on, they have great detail, and I think they will look great with other items in my wardrobe, like this top from Karl Moss Designs on Etsy. This pink hoodie from the Rainbow High Fashion Studio looks pretty cute with it too. These pink shorts are my second favorite piece. Loving all of the details. I am a little concerned about losing crystals over time, but I am totally adding these to my closet. And this purple outfit is my last must-have. I feel like this is the perfect outfit to wear to a concert. Because I gotta look fly, I might get called on stage. Couldn't you just picture it? Me dancing with the Queen Bee! This really isn't an everyday look for me, but I could definitely wear it to a fun event. Now this, I could wear every day. Thank you for joining us for another episode of Does the Fit Fit? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Happy collecting! Bye!
Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, 'cause all